ochopo kuom machiegni.
Jochiw thieth e bwo Universal Health Coverage e kaunti ma Siaya omonjo lok tich mar kaunti no ka gidwaro mondo ndikgi e yo mongirore. Kotelnegi kod Geoffrey Omondi Oyange, jochiw thieth go ywak ni gisetie e yor orak kuom thuolo mar higni 5, gino makata chike matayo tije e pacho ka ok oyie godo, ka koro gidwaro mondo kaunti no ndikgi tich e yo mongirore. Bende giywago omenda gi mag aeri, okumba mag thieth kod omenda mamoko mosebed king'adogi kuom higni 5 to pok otere kuonde mowinjore. Caleb wacho ni gisehore kuom thuolo malach kendo sani nyaka koro winj dwaro margi.
For today we've just come here to press our issue on permanent, two things. That is permanent and pensionable, and the gratuity for 5 years served. And actually not 2 but 3 things, and the remittance of the NSSF that has not been remitted for the last 5 years.
And what we are requesting as UHC, we need nothing but PNP, because the choruses and the promises are enough. And we have graced this meeting more than once, and things are happening in a way that whatever we are told and whatever is happening, they are quite different things.
The moment we agree here on the date, then when that date comes, we will sit and we will give you update where we are. Now, having said that, allow me just to concentrate on the PNP. All these groups which have been holding strikes over a period ranging all the way back to 1 year at various levels, they have never forgotten UHC to include in their list. Whether they are doing it for their specific individuals or for all of you, it just means that is camaraderie. That means they have not forgotten UHC, whether it is the clinical officer UHC or the other ones. So everybody has talked about it, and that is in public domain.